Get noticed in this 2011 Ford Fiesta.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle.
A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle.
With an efficient 4-cylinder engine,
make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Pamper yourself with memory settings. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.